Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to discuss the top 10 trending faceless and voiceless channel ideas. These types of channels have become increasingly popular in recent years, allowing creators to share content without revealing their identity. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. Number 1. DIY and crafting channels. These channels are perfect for anyone who loves creating and crafting but doesn't want to be on camera. You can showcase your creativity and share step-by-step instructions on how to make different crafts, without showing your face. Number 2. Music channels. If you're musically inclined but don't want to be in front of the camera, a faceless and voiceless music channel might be the perfect fit for you. You can share your music compositions, covers, and even tutorials on how to play different instruments. Number 3. Gaming channels. Gaming channels are incredibly popular on YouTube, and many creators have built massive audiences without ever showing their faces. You can create gameplay videos, tutorials, and walkthroughs without ever revealing your identity. Number 4. ASMR channels. ASMR has become a massive trend in recent years, and many creators have found success by creating ASMR videos without showing their face. You can create relaxing and soothing videos that help your viewers to unwind and distress. Number 5. Animation channels. If you're talented at animation, you can create a successful channel without ever showing your face. You can share your animations, tutorials, and even create animated versions of popular songs or stories. Number 6. Cooking channels. Cooking channels have become increasingly popular on YouTube, and you can create a successful channel without showing your face. You can share different recipes, cooking tips, and even create themed cooking videos. Number 7. Fitness channels. Fitness channels are perfect for anyone who loves working out and wants to share their knowledge with others. You can create workout videos, tutorials, and even create fitness challenges for your viewers. Number 8. Travel channels. If you love to travel and explore new places, you can create a successful travel channel without showing your face. You can share your travel experiences, tips, and even create travel guides for different destinations. Number 9. Product reviews channels. If you're passionate about trying out new products, you can create a successful product review channel without showing your face. You can share your honest opinions on different products, and even create comparison videos to help your viewers make informed buying decisions. Number 10. Educational channels. If you're passionate about teaching and educating others, you can create an educational channel without showing your face. You can create videos on different topics, share your knowledge, and even create tutorials on different subjects. So there you have it, the top 10 trending faceless and voiceless channel ideas. With these ideas, you can create successful channels without ever showing your face, allowing you to share your passion and creativity with the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.